Ready to remove your Red Aspen Nail Dashes? There are a couple of methods that are safe and comfortable. For the second method, begin by soaking your nails. Fill a bowl with warm, soapy water and add 10 to 15 drops of cuticle oil. Soak your nails for 10 minutes. Once your nails are done soaking, use the wooden cuticle stick provided in every nail dash box to gently wedge between your natural nail and the nail dash, starting at the side or base of the cuticle. This will release the dash from your nail and allow it to simply pop off. Curious how to use our nail dash removal tool instead of the cuticle stick? Simply bend the middle section of the removal tool to reveal the sharp pointed pick. Wiggle the plastic pick in between the nail dash and your natural nail. Once all 10 of your nail dashes are removed, grab the mini nail file provided in every nail dash box. Use the coarser blue side of the file to remove any residual nail glue. Next, use the finer pink side of the file to smooth and buff your natural nails. If you have our buffer block handy, you can achieve an even smoother finish and add a natural shine. Finally, to add moisture and nutrients to your natural nails and cuticles, massage Red Aspen hand cream onto your hands and fingers. To top it all off, apply our cuticle oil right to your cuticles. And that's it! Now you have clean, healthy, and moisturized natural nails.